You probably have seen or heard the news that divorce rates is increasing due to the pandemic. However, data recently shows that it is decreasing instead. But is this good news? Hi everyone, Leon here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 signs that will tell you a marriage is failing. So, if you don't just want to be a statistic, watch on and watch out for these 3 signs. Go! An obvious indicator that your marriage is not going well is the way you start a discussion. If you start with blaming, criticism, sarcasm, or accusation, you are beginning a discussion with what we call a harsh startup. Research shows that if your discussion begins with a harsh startup, it will inevitably end negatively. The solution to this is to soften your startup and refrain from any negative interactions, or just stop the discussion, take a break, and come back to it again when you are in a better state. This is a sign that you are psychologically and physically overwhelmed. This usually occurs when your partner's negativity is so intense that it shocks you severely. You find it very difficult to deal with your partner because you feel emotionally distressed as well. Your heart rate and blood pressure will go up, and all these will make it virtually impossible for you and your partner to have a productive discussion on any issues you all want to solve. The solution is to calm yourself down so that you are in a better physiological and psychological state to remain emotionally engaged with your partner. One solution to this is to take deep and slow breaths. Breathe in with your nose slowly. Feel the air that is going in and release that breath through your nose again slowly. By regulating your breath, you are able to slow down your heart rate and lower your blood pressure as well. This will bring you back into a better state for you to make more strategic decisions. Repair attempts are efforts that couples make to de-escalate the tension between them during a heated argument or discussion. It could be something like, let's take a break, or sticking out your tongue. This is different for different couples. Couples approach their repair attempts differently. Successful repair attempts help couples do 2 things. One is they de-escalate the tension that is between the couples. And second, as a result of this, the blood pressure and the heart rate is prevented from rising further, which will prevent the couples from feeling flooded. A research from Gottman Institute shows that the presence of the 4 horsemen alone will predict divorce with an accuracy rate of about 82%. And when this is coupled with failed repair attempts, the accuracy rate will go above 90%. If you don't know what the 4 horsemen is, check out this video I did earlier. As I mentioned earlier, different couples have different approaches to their repair attempts, and it usually shows up only during a heated argument or discussion. So one way around this is to agree with each other beforehand what a repair attempt looks like. Is it take a break, stick out your tongue, or whatever it is? This will help you be more aware to pick up the repair attempt during the arguments. So whether the decreasing divorce rates is good news or not, it remains to be seen because many articles are not positive about it. The reason why couples are still sticking together could be due to the high financial cost of divorce and the unstable job conditions that the pandemic has caused. In my opinion, if you are still together, why not try to fix it first? And when I mention about fix it, I don't mean fixing each other. I mean fixing the bond that keeps you together. And if you're interested in that, check out this video and this playlist where I share more tips to help you improve your relationship. Thank you.